converts traditional business analytics into governed execution. OLTP captures operational facts, OLAP analyzes patterns, BI shows insights, and NeuroGov Plus applies a decision authority gate. Every dashboard selection becomes a decision request, evaluated before execution to prevent unsafe posting, unsafe release, or unnecessary buying. Inventory decision capacity. Usable stock is permission capacity. Block stock is governance restriction. Revenue volatility heat map. Higher volatility means higher governance attention. PPC release authority trend. If score drops below gate threshold, production must be held. Purchase before buying. Check multi-location stock and shortage probability before allowing purchase. Organization locations map. Each plant or branch is mapped with latitude and longitude to support governed deployment and responsibility mapping. Branch and nature of business snapshot. This configuration is used to bind policies, managers, and allowed actions for each location. Stage-wise quantity and value. The system checks issue type and stage movement before permitting posting to costing subledger and summary to general ledger. Item-wise stock controls. Inventory is controlled by item, location, store, and work order. This supports governed costing and controlled issue to production. Raw material issued versus received by production. The auditor checks whether issues match receipts, and whether PPC permissions are followed before execution. Raw material available for issue. This is the decision capacity for production. If availability is below PPC requirement, execution should be blocked or delayed. Accounts receivable analysis with IP risk. Outlier IP addresses and unusual amounts increase governance risk before acceptance or posting. Before buying, the purchase dashboard verifies stock across locations. If stock is sufficient, purchase is blocked to prevent leakage. Trial balance versus subledger variance. NeuroGov Plus prevents incorrect postings by validating evidence before ledger commit. Branch-wise revenue trend. The governance lens uses volatility and concentration to apply controlled execution rather than reactive decisions. General ledger and subledger integrity view. Controlled postings ensure reconciliation is a result of governance, not correction after errors. Integrated modules across engineering, process, and service industries. Governance remains constant while domain specifics vary. Plant unit-wise sales in crores. This view supports controlled growth decisions with governance checks for volatility and concentration. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect of the 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, and NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, designed as a governance-first decision intelligence system anchored in IGA 2026, Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure. In this framework, pure AI is positioned only in inform, prediction and insights, and never permitted to govern or assure. NeuroGov Plus converts analytics into controlled decision authority by applying policy thresholds, approval hierarchies, and risk rules before execution, and generates audit-ready evidence, traceability, logs, and accountability, as a permanent assurance layer. Domain knowledge plugs in as data governance remains constant.